Welcome to Sunday morning builds. This is Disney's Villans, Cruella De Vil and Maleficent. This set is set number 40620, comes with 320 pieces. Now, I know absolutely nothing about these characters. I haven't seen any of the movies that relate to these characters, so I have no real connection to them, but they are sets number 195 and 196 in the Brickheads range as we head towards the 200, which will be coming very soon. So that's what we're doing today. A dual Brickheads set, 320 pieces. Nice combination of colours here with the hair, and also different colour faceplate here that we don't often get. Good looking sets to add to the collection. So we'll do the speed build and then come back for a short review. Welcome back. Here we have set number 40620, Brickheads Disney Villains, Cruella De Vil, number 195, and Maleficent, number 196. And I must say, I said earlier that I knew nothing about these characters, and that continues to be true. But what I will say is these builds were very, very enjoyable to do. Lots of different techniques just within these two builds alone. Very, very good, very comprehensive, and you can tell the 320 pieces across the two, probably fairly evenly split across the two. So that's about 160 pieces each. There couple of standout things on both of them that you may not have picked up in the speed build is the colour behind the eye. See here on Cruella, the green, pale green, it just gives this really nice background to the eye as though it's the colour of the pupil. And then the same with Maleficent, you can see the purple there behind the eye. Beautiful. Just a nice little addition. I was impressed with the amount of detail that Lego went to at the back here. They could have gone pretty simple, but they went to a fair bit of detail. There are actually quite a bit of 1x1 size bricks to use, tiles, half pieces, etc. And also this piece here, very, very good technique. I've seen it a couple of times on a couple of Brickheads, not that often, but this one is very good. How can I show this? If I pull this out, that's it. And you'll see here there's a crossbar. That is how it attaches. See how that lifts? And that is how that attaches. So really great technique to get those pinstripe type effects. And that just clicks on into this crossbar like that and comes into play there. The other really fun part about Cruella is the use of the mud guards, a vehicle mud guard here for the shoulder pads. Really nice touch. Really good use of parts. Yeah, really enjoyed building this piece. See if I can get it back on. There we go. So there we have it. Both sets were very enjoyable. Probably a little less detail here with Maleficent, but just as enjoyable to go through. The headpiece here with, again, they clip on. That came off the wrong way. If I take that out, that is just attached to a little hinge piece here. I know the black is difficult to see at times. And that attaches onto there, and that punches down. Oop. All over the shop here. I'm going to take that bit out. So that's just the clamp. That goes on like that. So this piece goes back in, if I can get it in. There we are. And then that locks down into place there, and there we have it. Let's sit back on there properly. There we go. Set number 40620, Disney Villains, Cruella De Vil and Maleficent. This was a close to a 40-minute build. Cruella was approximately 20 minutes, both of them approximately 20 minutes. Maleficent just a little bit shorter, but very enjoyable. Some great techniques within these two alone, as I said earlier. So that was a really nice surprise because I really wasn't sure what to expect out of this set. So that's it for today. I hope you can join me next time I'm back with Sunday morning builds. Bye for now.